Hi, welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We are in Walsham Le Willows. That's the one. We're going to do a little 5k loop walk. It's pretty late in the early evening, so we better get a shift on. Join us.
Oh, standard. Are they little ducklings? Aww, super cute. Double checking where we're going.
Purple slows in late summer. Follow the path straight ahead into the edge of 10 Acre wood. Go right at the path T-junction and then forward in a series of zigzags around the wood perimeter and over sleeper bridges.
In we go.
It's that way. So at this point we didn't realise that the mic wasn't quite properly plugged in, so this entire clip didn't have a soundtrack, which is annoying because this is probably one of the main features of the walk. This is Shepherd's Grove Airfield, used by bombers in World War II. It was a US jet base during the Cold War and as a nuclear launch centre until the closure in 1966. It's a lovely, long, open, flat grass field with woods all down the one side. That would be ideal for a sneaky little stealth wild camp. It's probably one of the main things on the walk. The footage doesn't really do it justice of how large, and you can imagine bombers turning around on it. It's quite a place. turn right into a lane thought to be 800 years old, hedged and ditched on both sides. The trees touch overhead to form a shady arched canopy. The hedge is made up of some 16 species including elder, crabapple, maple, buckthorn and dog rose.
Onwards.
800-year-old path.
I can hear the hum of the bees and flies and things. Some people really are scumbags, aren't they?
It's not like we can take it away.
I know, it's too big. We can carry it, well, we're only what, halfway?
We can email their local council and tell them that someone's flighted down this 800-year-old road.
Yeah, not okay. Don't deserve this planet.
Older than most fucking countries.
No, is the answer.
So we've finished our walk now, 5k. Didn't really feel like much, to be honest.
Felt like an evening stroll.
Yeah. We're gonna have a cup of tea before heading out. Thank you for joining us. If you like what you saw, click the thumbs up. If you want to see more of us, consider subscribing. So click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get the notifications when our videos come out. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.